this video, we'll discuss when and why we request system photos from our customers and how you can provide them to help us assess your solar system status. Let's get started. These are common scenarios where we may request photos of your solar system. The DC isolator may have tripped. The system is offline or disconnected from the internet and we can't access it through our monitoring platform. The engineers require more information about the system to identify the issue. We request these photos to help our engineers assess the system's current status, identify potential issues, and provide the necessary support. How to provide system photos. When we request system photos, we'll provide you with example images to guide you in taking the necessary pictures of your system. Here's what you'll need to do. Review the example photos we've sent you. Take similar photos of your solar system, capturing the required components or areas. Send the photos back to us via email or text. By providing us with these photos, you'll help our engineers diagnose potential issues and offer the appropriate solutions. We hope this video has helped you understand when and why we request system photos and how to provide them. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please do not hesitate to contact our customer service team at ShineHub. Thanks for watching.